Hey guys, this is Andy the Gun Guy. By now, you've probably seen my little meme where I asked Domino's new contactless delivery system to leave the pizza in a very unique way. What you probably haven't seen is when they actually delivered the pizza. This might be Domino's. Oh, it looks like Domino's. Hey guys, got my contactless delivery. Domino's doesn't come to the door anymore, they just put it here.
Oh, I thought they hated dog or something.
Oh no, he was doing bird noises.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all. There you have it, just a little fun with Corona. If you're a Second Amendment person, feel free to enter my free Pew Pew giveaway at andythegunguy.com. They had it on a stand in the middle of the road.
Oh, I thought they hated dog or something.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Carol at Big Cat Rescue.